Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. And the previous videos we have covered home and insert option. So if you have not watched those videos, the link has been given above. You can check all those videos. Now in this video, we are going to cover VLOOKUP, where you will get to know how you can look back to the previous column and get the values. But before to that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe so that whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. Now we do have the formula sheet, where as you can see we have already here this VLOOKUP formula. So if I'll break up this VLOOKUP formula, so simply we do have this function formula text, and if I'll select this, so simply you can see the formula what I have used here. So this G2 is the reference, that employee ID. Now we do have the table array where we are looking C2 between E21. So now for an example, this is our table which I have taken the reference. Now the problem here with us is we don't want the values from the C column onwards. We want to look back of this C column. For an example, we want to get the values from B column. So here, so let me tell you how we are going to use this function. So this function we called is choose. So simply you have to select column index. So now we will open the flower bracket, and here we will take 1 and 2. So this will be the column index. And now for an example, if I'll take this one and this one and this one and this one and this one. So I guess we have entered dot. So now if I'll close this parenthesis, so here what we are getting is this technical architect. So why we are getting this technical architect? So let's go to this formula. So this is flower bracket where we are selecting this array from D4. So simply if you will check into the D4, what is the value in D4? So let's say this one. So in this D4 we do have the technical architect, but for an example, in the choose function, in the choose formula, we would like to select this D9. Then how we can do this? So simply you can see the D9 is in fifth. This is the fifth value of array. So simple, if you will add here for an example, if I'll take fifth and here this is something, and then open it. So now you can see it is showing senior manager as a, and manager it is reflecting. So now let's check on the D9 what is the value. So you can see here D9 it is showing a manager. So I hope you able to understand. So now here it is showing that okay, two values, one values it is showing in D3, that is senior manager, it is reflecting here, and manager. Now I don't want these two values, I just want to have one values. To get only one values, what you can do, so here we have taken this two column index. So rather than two column index, I'll take only one column index, and that is 5. And now the manager should be the answer. So now you can see, boom, the manager is answer. Now the challenge for us is how you can add this choose function in VLOOKUP so that you can look back to the previous column. Understand how you can use a VLOOKUP with a choose option or choose function So simply what you have to do is to look back in the previous column to get the answer. So simply I'll use a VLOOKUP, and with VLOOKUP I'll use this one. Now we will use choose, and we will use index numbers, for example 1 and 2, and I'll close the flower bracket. And now we have to use this values. Okay, I am using this values, and I would like to check, this I want answer from this column. So simply I'll close the bracket, and then I'll add 2, and then exact match we want. And if we will close the bracket, so as you can see, Emily Davis, it is reflecting. So now if I'll add anything here, so simply you can see in this both formula it is showing the Luke Martin. So if E04332, if we will check, so this is the Luke Martin. So simply this formula what we have written here, so you can use this to look back of your first reference cell where you are finding out the values. So I hope you understood this session, how you can look back of your reference value to the last column. So simply you can use choose with VLOOKUP formula. If you have any doubt or any queries regarding to this session, if you are not able to understand this formula, or you wanted to use a VLOOKUP choose function, choose formula for your data table, so simply you can comment us on our comment section, or you can reach us out on our official mail ID. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe the channel. For watching this video, thank you very much. Have a good day.